Welcome to the Elim Spa Products International tutorial, your partner in the salon who offers you a corrective pedicure with results. We hope you will enjoy this easy training session where we will demonstrate the simple steps of doing the Elim MediHeel corrective pedicure. Before starting your treatment, ensure the client is comfortable and the temperature in the room is right. If you are doing the pedi on a flat surface, ensure you place a rolled up towel under the client's ankles. This will ensure the heels are lifted from the bed for you to work comfortably. We realize that clients' needs are different, and where some clients require more relaxation and pampering, others will gladly skip the massage and have you focus on cracked heels, nail infections, or even ingrown toenails. Let's jump in and show you the steps of the Elim MediHeel pedicure. Consult with your client. We introduced the Pedicure card, a tool for you, the therapist, to learn more about your client's needs. Here, you will identify any concerns or medical conditions and ailments your client has, and it will assist you in understanding your client's needs. This is important when building a strong long-term relationship. The consultation card also gives you the opportunity to recommend home care products for maintenance after your treatment. While your client looks at the Pedicure card, you can spritz the feet with the Elim Spa sanitizer. This will ensure clean, bacteria-free feet when you do your full analysis. Do a thorough assessment of the nails between the toes and the heels and make sure you make notes of any irregularities. If there are no abrasions or open sores, you are ready to begin the callus removal. Step 2. Applying the Elim Callus Softening Tonic and Neutralizer. Wearing gloves, soak your cotton wool in no more than 5 ml of callus removal tonic. Place the cotton pad on the affected dry areas. You may wrap the feet in cling wrap or opt for a silicone sock to keep it in place. This will stay on for 10 minutes. Remember to set your timer. While the tonic's working, you can remove the nail varnish. Remember to always use downward strokes when removing varnish. If a client's wearing gel applications, you can do the soak off now. After 10 minutes, you're now ready to remove the dead skin cells from the heel. First, remove the cotton wool and use your scraper to apply pressure. Remove the dead skin from the feet. After scraping, use your pumice to gently buff the feet until you see leather-like pieces of skin appear. It is now very important to bring the skin back to its normal pH. We will use the Elim pH neutralizer to do this. Using only 2 ml, apply the neutralizer to the areas of the feet where you applied the peel. If you skip this step, the heel will dry out. Step 3. Exfoliation. Next, apply the Elim alpha hydroxy acid foot exfoliant and massage the feet and ankles in upward strokes for at least 2 minutes. It will increase blood circulation, and the combination of glycolic and lactic acids react with the top layer of the skin, dissolving sebum and other substances that bind cells together, leaving behind smoother, healthier feet. Step 4. Apply the Ultram Mud. The glycolic and lactic acid will stay on the feet, and you can now apply the Elim Ultram Mud mask to the feet and heels, making sure you do not cover the nail area. Once covered, wrap the feet in a compress and rest it for 3 minutes. Step 5. Antibacterial soak. Fungal protection is important, and using the antibacterial antifungal foot soak will help protect your client from odor-causing bacteria and simultaneously protect you from contamination. Using 5 ml of spa additive in your foot bath, rinse the feet thoroughly, making sure that all granules are removed. Use a gentle sponge for this purpose. You can now dry the feet with a towel, making sure you dry the nails and in between the toes. Step 6. Cuticles filing and buffing. Apply your Elim MediHeel cuticle remover to soften and remove excess cuticles. Leave it on for 15 seconds and then lift the cuticle from the nail plate. Prepare the nails by filing them to smooth out any rough edges, making sure you leave soft corners and always file in one direction. The following is an optional step. You can continue to buff the nail bed to get rid of any harsh discoloration. Always using the smooth side of the buffer, making sure not to damage the nail bed. Buffing the nail will ensure the nail varnish application lasts longer. Wipe the nail to remove any oil residue on the nail. Step 7. Apply your Elim nail hardener as your base coat. For the purpose of this video, we will be applying normal varnish and not gel. If you do a gel application, you may now continue with the gel procedure. You are now ready to apply your first layer of varnish. Make sure your brush is not dripping and the layer is neat and thin. Once again, make sure there's no excess polish or remove it with acetone and a fine brush. Repeat this process with a second layer of varnish and then finish off with your Elim top coat and express dry. Step 8. The heel balm massage. Using approximately 3 ml of the foot perfector for both feet, massage the cream into the feet and ankles using upward strokes. The foot perfector contains dimethicone to prevent slippage in the shoe and should be allowed to dry for 1 minute. Step 9. Cuticle MD. The Elim Cuticle MD is a remedy for dry and damaged cuticles and contains 10 oils, including calendula, arnica, baruti, citrus, coconut, and even vitamin E oil. Massage it gently into the cuticles. Step 10. It is now time for the signature finish to your Elim MediHeel Pedicure, the rejuvenating gold spritz. Lightly dust the feet and lower legs to further moisten and refresh the legs. Your Elim MediHeel Pedicure is now complete. Elim, your scientific solution.